Lens. Hi, this is Bob the Wizard. In case you were wondering about some other new things that you might not miss, just out today, 2 new DX lenses for the Z cameras. We've got the 35mm 1.7. This is a great lens for Christmas or any other time. How about for Thanksgiving? Anyway, it's a low light lens. This will be great for you. This is brand new and we've got them here at the store. But wait, of course, there's more. Here's your 16 to 50. This is a 2.8 VR. Vibration reduction, 2.8, that will be perfect in low light as well. This is an awesome lens. 16 to 50, great for inside or going anywhere you want to go. And are you enjoying this video today? Please let us know. Because if you are, guess what? Here it is, the ZR. This is what it's being filmed on. Great video quality. This is the new video standard here. This is with Nikon and Red. You can't go wrong with this. This is a great camera. You know, look at this. Unlike a lot of other cameras, look at the size of that screen. This is going to be awesome for all your video work, and it still can do stills. So come on down to Paul's Photo. Tomorrow's Halloween, but come on down anyway. And if you dress up, we still won't give you anything extra, but we'll give you a few stickers. All right, see you next time. Bye-bye.